In today's video, I am going to teach you how to permanently close all Tools pane in Adobe Acrobat. If you are tired of the All Tools panel popping up on the side every time you open a PDF, this walkthrough will make it stay closed for good. The idea is simple. We'll turn on a setting that remembers your last view. Close the panel once, and then restart Acrobat so it sticks. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat and heading to Preferences. You'll find Preferences in the Application menu. On many systems, it's under the Edit menu. And on others, it's in the Main App menu at the top. Open Preferences to access the app's global settings. In the Preferences window, select the Documents category on the left. Look for the Open Settings section, then find the option labeled Restore Last View Settings when reopening documents. Check that box. This is the key that tells Acrobat to remember your layout choices, things like whether a side panel was open or closed. Your page view, and other display settings. Once you've checked it, click OK to save and close Preferences. Next, open any PDF. If you see the All Tools pane on the right, collapse it. You can do this by clicking the small arrow or the X at the top of that panel. The arrow tucks it away so it's hidden off to the side. The X closes it. Either action records the state you want Acrobat to remember. Now complete the process with a quick restart. Close the PDF you opened and then fully quit Acrobat so the application shuts down completely. When you reopen Acrobat and open a PDF, the All Tools pane should remain closed, just as you left it. That's the preference doing its job, restoring your last view automatically. If you notice the panel reappearing later, double-check that the Restore Last View Settings option is still enabled. After updates or changes to your profile, you may need to confirm that the box is still checked and repeat the quick collapse once. Also note that interface labels can vary slightly by version, whether it's called All Tools or simply Tools. The behavior is the same. With this setup, you still have full access to Acrobat's features. Whenever you need them, opening the Tools panel is just a click away. But it won't take over your workspace by default. This keeps your reading and reviewing environment clean and consistent every time you open a document. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.